Okay, so today I want us to look at the names of the letters. And I know that names of the letters is something that people think is very easy. Of course, it's easy. But there are so many parents and so many teachers who do not know how to say some of the names of these letters that I hear. So that's why I want to take my time to kind of enlighten you on how to pronounce the names. Now, I'm not talking about the sounds, but the names. So, now it's not as if they've changed because someone asked me recently that have their names changed? But I told him that the names have not changed, they've been like that. It's just that the person was taught wrongly. So that's why he feels like, okay, why is the name now different from what he was taught when he was in a preschool and elementary school? So let's go right ahead. Now we have all these letters, capital letters and small letters, and some of them have their names written with sounds. Now I'm going to tell you why I wrote the sounds there, but not for all of them. So this one, we say A. It's not A, it's A. It's B, C, D, E, F, G, H, 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 I, J, K, L, M, N, O, 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 P, Q, R, 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 S, T, U, V, W, 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 X, Y, Z. So, these ones that I've written their names with sounds is because I want us to get their pronunciation because most teachers and parents don't say them correctly. Now, let me see what I was taught when I was in primary school and then what I've seen other teachers do these days and then what it should be. So this one, the teachers teach the children how to say this letter as A, A. And this one is H. This one is J, K, O, R, W. So this is not how to pronounce these letters. This is not how to say their names. You say A. You elongate it because this is a diphthong. So you don't say A, you say A. A. And for this one, you don't start with the sound, you start with A. So you say H. And here you say J. J. Here you say K. K. O. Begin it with not O. Begin it with O. O. Please, not ow. O. This one is not R. It's R. 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 And this one here is W. W. It's not W or W. It's W. W. Now, these are their names, not their sounds. Because some of you would say, okay, if we say R here, then what will be the sound of the letter A? Or probably, okay, then how would it sound? Of course, the sound of this letter is R, but its name is R, letter R. Let's say you want to spell the word farm, then you spell it as F-A-R-M. F-A-R-M, not F-A-R-M. F-A-R-M. That's it. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So I'm going to say it a bit slow so that you will repeat after me and ensure that you say the ones you've not been saying correctly. You ensure that you correct it now. So this one is A, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are their names and here are their sounds. Now they have different sounds. Each letter may have more than one sound. Some two, some even three, some even four, some even more. Like the letter A has about 7 sounds. But we're going to take the sound that when you're teaching beginning reading, at the first stage, you will teach them that very sound first. So I'm teaching you their basic sounds or their common sounds first. So their common sounds now we have A, B, K, D, E, F, G, E, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z. So that's it. Feel free to ask your questions. If you have any question to ask if you have any addition to ask, to add, please.